before? Watch out, Ames. I thought you held it in your hand before. Hold it in your hand. Oh, that's a big one. Watch where you're going, baby. Hold it up. No, hold it up in your hand. You gotta hold it in your hand. Didn't you do it before though?
No.
Oh.
She put it down the bird cage.
Hold it up in your hand. Wait for the people to go by. Wait.
Get!
Hey?
Oh. He's fun, got it!
Don't bite your finger, just hold it out really far. Like that,
That's it.
Go closer. Yeah!
Does it happen? Do it again. Stand over there a bit more.
Did you get it?
I think so. Come right over here. No, over here.
The other side, though.
Hey. Do it again. Now you gotta hold it in your hand. You gonna do another one?
One more.
Well, hold it in your hand then. Ames, say bye.